Welcome to this instructional video on assembling the EasyClick connector system. Follow these steps carefully for a secure connection. Start by sliding a cap onto each kink-resistant tube, ensuring the tapered end goes in first. Use the clicker tool to hold the tube, leaving just enough length for insertion into the connector bridge. A shorter length makes this step easier. Hold the connector bridge with the pusher tool. Avoid using your fingertips or applying excessive pressure to prevent damage. Gently push the bridge onto the tube, ensuring it's fully inserted and aligned with the midline. Use the bridge window for visual confirmation. Next, use the larger jaw of the clicker tool to push the cap over the connector bridge until you hear and feel a distinct click. Flush both tubes thoroughly to remove air and debris. Repeat the process for the other end. Before removing the rubber-shod hemostats, perform a stretch test to confirm the connection's integrity. Once secure, remove the hemostats. Your EasyClick connector assembly is now complete.